the connection between climate change and human rights. Welcome to our channel. Today, we delve into the profound connection between climate change and human rights, exploring how environmental changes impact fundamental rights and freedoms. 1. Understanding climate change and human rights. Climate change is not just an environmental issue, it is also a critical human rights issue. The effects of climate change can threaten access to basic needs, such as clean water, food, shelter, and health, affecting the rights of millions worldwide. 2. Right to clean water and sanitation. The right to clean water and sanitation is fundamental. Climate change exacerbates water scarcity, making it difficult for communities to access safe drinking water, leading to health crises and undermining their right to a healthy life. 3. Right to food security. Food security is another right under threat. Changing weather patterns, extreme weather events, and rising temperatures disrupt food production, leading to shortages and higher prices, affecting the most vulnerable populations. 4. Right to health. Climate change impacts health through increased heat waves, spread of diseases, and malnutrition. The right to health is compromised as communities struggle to cope with these escalating health risks. 5. Right to adequate housing. The right to adequate housing is jeopardized by climate-induced disasters. Rising sea levels, storms, and floods displace millions, forcing them into precarious living conditions and often leading to long-term displacement. 6. Right to a healthy environment. A healthy environment is a prerequisite for the enjoyment of many other rights. Climate change exacerbates pollution, biodiversity loss, and environmental degradation, undermining the right to live in a healthy and sustainable environment. 7. Impact on marginalized communities. Marginalized communities, including indigenous peoples, women, and children, are disproportionately affected by climate change. Their rights are often the first to be compromised, highlighting the urgent need for inclusive climate action. 8. Climate refugees. A growing crisis. Climate change is creating climate refugees, individuals forced to flee their homes due to environmental changes. These refugees often face legal and social challenges, impacting their rights and well-being. 9. The role of human rights in climate action. Human rights must be at the center of climate action. Governments, organizations, and individuals must recognize and address the human rights dimensions of climate change to create equitable and effective solutions. 10. Call to action. Act now. Protect human rights through climate action. Each of us has a role to play in addressing climate change and protecting human rights. By advocating for climate justice, supporting policies that uphold human rights, and adopting sustainable practices, we can make a positive impact. Please do like, share, subscribe, and follow for more insights on climate action and human rights.